Regina Daniel father don use im eye see wetin e no fit even explain. Now the man na beg e dey beg say make dem come have mercy upon him and set his daughter free. Una know say when dem marry Regina Daniel, na im mama na im collect bride price. Na im mama carry am do handing over and taking over. When person papa still dey alive, you no carry the father along because you know say the father no go happy to allow im pikin go like that. But nobody dey talk about that one now until when Regina Daniel papa wan take the matter as e suppose take am based on say im pa don dey ask for the arrest of everybody wey dey involve inside this matter. People wey dey around Regina Daniel, im don dey send for their arrest one after the other because e wan put fear for their mind so that dem no go fit get mouth talk. You no understand? So that dem no go fit get mouth talk, e wan dey arrest one after the other. The other time na Regina Daniel brother. E enter the tiny demon wey im talk say be Ann, wey be Regina Daniel friend. So one after the other, e wan dey put dem for tight corner. Now na im Regina Daniel father come dey beg say if im carry the matter go police station, that ever since he went to police station, they've not for once call on im pa's at ten tion. They never for once, despite all the go come, even to even call and ask am say, Oga, we see a video of where your wife dey cry say if anything happen to me, make dem hold Ned Nwoko responsible. Say in Ned Nwoko's house, I am nobody, but in my house, I am a queen. What can you say about this? And that the father don come out don come write petition against you. Say see. But for where they never call am till today. Now people come advise am say instead of the one wey im go dey go police up and down, make him carry the matter go traditional way, in a way that everybody go come swear to something. If at the end of the day, anybody wey violate, wey come dey lie, make dem hold the person. Anything wey the person buy, make e be say the person use im head pack am. Na Regina Daniel father come agree. Now wey im carry the matter go the elders and the other way, na dem come summon Senator Ned Nwoko, allegedly according to the story. They come summon am say make him come, say im matter don reach here. As police, fear no allow them to call am say make him come, say matter don reach their table. This ones now, they no go fear to call Ned Nwoko na, abi? Now, when they call am, he say he no dey available, say he get things and things wey dey go on for parliament. He no go get chance to come. They say, how they go do am now when he go get chance and they need am ASAP? He say, okay, he go send representative. And the representative wey he go send na person wey Regina Daniel papa know well, wey be Ned Nwoko junior brother. That one wey talk say make social media comot mouth for the family matter. Say na family matter, they go know how to settle am. Say make dem comot hand. Na him they consent go, make him go hear wetin Regina Daniel papa go report about Ned Nwoko. When he now got there, he was now like, they really wanted to settle this whole thing amicably as family. But Regina Daniel, they give them condition. Say, Ned Nwoko go need to come out publicly, come apologize to her, then drop that post, make him tell the world, say she is not into DRUG. Because I know say as the incident happened, now Ned Nwoko fly come out say Regina Daniel dey into DRUG. So make him still use him mouth, come talk and say she no dey into DRUG. So in order not to spoil a reputation, make people no come dey believe, we come say na woman rapper, na woman na dey direct am. Ned Nwoko no gree do am. He no even gree delete the post itself. Now the brother come dey talk am now say, wetin him dey see for this matter be say na just misunderstanding. And again, Ned Nwoko no get right based on wetin they don swear on the day wey he marry Regina. Even he himself no fit tell Regina say make she dey go because he is a prince from a royal family. that after the wedding wey happen that particular day, because according to wetin we hear, say the wedding na the normal wedding wey Anioma people dey do, na im happen. Like normal wedding, no be say there is nothing attached to it, no any oath taking or whatever. But they say after the wedding, they took Regina to a place where a video surfaced, where they were giving Regina the rules and regulation that governs the Nwoko's family. Waiting and waiting they should avoid. So to some extent, Regina was scared. They tell her, say, make she no panic. Say nothing dey happen. But one of the rules and regulation be say, Regina no get right to talk say she no wan do the marriage again. Na Ipa na im go tell her say he no want the marriage again. So when it now got to a point where Regina could no longer hold it, the drama for the house don dey too much. Now she starts dey do some certain things wey Ipa no go want. According to the Ned Nwoko brother, he say Regina come dey do some certain things, but Ned Nwoko don already know say Regina just dey try to provoke am, dey push am, so that him go open mouth talk say he no want, so that she go leave. But he was still condoling her. He was still enduring with her, making sure that it did not come from him. Because Regina too, on the other end, no get right to say she no do. If she say she no do, two things are involved. If she comot, she no go fit meet another man. If she meet another man, whether they like it or not, na she go kpai. Before, they be say if she meet another man, and Ned Nwoko, if he can't climb on top, say him go kpai. But they can't turn the whole thing around. Say if na she meet another man, na she go kpai. Me, I am now like, wait oh, okay, the law dey work for woman, but e no dey work for where man dey, abi. The Ned Nwoko get right to marry other plenty wives, to get concubines, to get other ladies wey im go dey knack. But Regina no get right to knack another man. Make it make sense. Until we realize where we dey, we no fit ever get to where we are going. Now, na Regina Daniel papa come say him, he no even come to know wetin happen, or who dey right or who dey wrong. Wetin him come here for is that him daughter, him don talk to her, and she don talk say she is done with the marriage, that she is tired. She no longer wants the marriage again. Say abeg, because of God, make them set him daughter free. That she said she is no longer interested in the relationship, in the marriage again. That Ned Nwoko should move on and leave her alone. Say he no want the one wey be say they go back and forth. He believe say here, anything wey dem talk na between them and God, and they go sign and seal am. Anybody wey come dey go against the ethics of the land, of wetin dem talk, make anything wey dem buy happen to the person. Say abeg, no be by power, no be by might. He wanted the best for his daughter. He wanted her sanity back. He wanted her to be free, that they should please set her free. Now the brother can say he no even get right to talk for this marriage matter between Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniel. He is only here to tell them wetin really dey happen, that Regina overdo, and this thing no be say na the brother fault. Say na Regina na him to do. Normally, you know, say for family, you go defend your own. But Regina papa ma no even dey talk about who dey right or who dey wrong. Make them shall leave Regina Daniel alone. Make she move on with her life. He start dey bring rules and regulation. They talk wetin dey and wetin no dey. Now he say he go call Ned Nwoko to discuss everything with Ned Nwoko. But make them shall know to say na the oath wey dem take, that they bind them. Say even Ned Nwoko no get right now for inside this matter. Even if him say no wahala, make Regina go, they go get some kind things and things where they go do to do final cleansing, to clear their self from all these things, so that everybody, Regina, can be free. Say na wetin him just won't let her know be that. Now the papa say him na beg, him dey beg, because he wanted nothing but good for the Ned Nwoko, and also want good for his daughter. Say una see the reason we make Papa Regina been refuse to dey collect anything for Ned Nwoko hand. Adimi him be dey collect things and things for Ned Nwoko hand. Una see say he for no get mouth to call Ned Nwoko say or to carry Nedwoko go traditionalist, if I no get mind, because Mama Regina is a proper example. Because of wetin she dey gain, wetin she be dey collect for Nedwoko hand, even if Regina dey right na Nedwoko dey wrong, she go tell am apologize. Regina go apologize. See that video wey surface the other time wey Nedwoko say, Regina too dey overwork herself. Anytime wey im talk say you too do, Regina go say you are not my father. The next thing the mother say apologize. I know say apology na good thing, but when a man is wrong, let him know that he is wrong so that he can own up to it. But Mama Regina, based on what she stand to gain, she cannot even say the truth when she see one. But Papa Regina say, "Toh, he don't try to settle the matter, but in daughter don't make up her mind." The brother say, "Toh, he don't hear. Now he represents Nedwoko. He go back, go tell Nedwoko, say, "Toh, see wetin this man talk, or see wetin this man talk. He no wan do back and forth with you. Let there be settlement." And that in as much as say he no carry a pikin hand over to him to marry, na the mother say whatever oath wey they don't take on that particular day, e no go work. Say they no even need any cleansing. They no need any, which is to show say Papa Regina too no even believe in all these things wey they talk, they go so. They just want talk am so that fear go dey grip the family. Say maybe Regina go pie or something. He say he no even believe in the oath. He no believe in anything. He just shall want make Nedwoko leave in daughter alone. Make nothing happen to Regina Daniel. Now the one way he won't talk be that. Say that whether oath or no oath, that one make them leave am for am. Now they know how they go take settle am. Say because all these ones wey be say in just dey hear Nedwoko want to arrest Mama Regina, arrest the brother, arrest her friends, arrest this. Say he doesn't want it again. Let him set Regina Daniel free and set his family free. Say now marry them marry am, they no kpai person. Now marry na dem marry am, they no say make him do am by fire by force. So all those things put together, say he no want am like that. Now they say he say he go get back to am. He go discuss with Nedwoko, then get back to am. My people, the drama is becoming more tougher. It's becoming more tougher. Even the papa don't see and say no be ordinary. Say Nedwoko no just won't give up at all. Because make it make sense. This lady, she's not comfortable under your roof. Even after Regina buy the house, she still dey stand on and say, she don't rest now. It shows something is wrong. Somebody no go just wake up one fateful day, come talk say something is wrong now. Meaning say in eye already dey see a lot before now. In eye don dey see a lot before now. So you no go expect say it go continue to be. You no understand. Even though I no just want to overemphasize on this marriage matter, because I know say if they won't settle, they can still settle it. But please, make una allow Regina Daniel papa drink water, drop cup. He wanted the best for his daughter, and that is why he's doing all this. Make una no come frustrate and join inside this matter, because the man don't really go through a lot. He don't see a lot. Person wey no collect bride price, come they go through all this. He no too much like this. No be juju be that. God abeg. Because he know say if he say he won't follow him in the other way, he no go walk. Even the man don't know say Nedwoko don't cast. Because if he no cast, he say he no day after the oath where they take. Make him shall leave a daughter alone. No wahala. Because for them to still emphasize, say, after the wedding, when they finish, they no ask Regina Daniel, she no take oath. After they finish, as a prince, must you bring it back again? So that the man go come the fear, say, in daughter go buy, if she go knack. So imagine life. My people, it is well, oh. Make una do well to come chook mouth for inside this matter wey dey ground. I still remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so that they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.